Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Nishimoto Elementary School, home of the Hawks, in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District. This is my second visit to their campus, and it was an amazing morning and afternoon. And really, what's so incredible about coming back here is that everyone is just, so welcoming. You could feel the love when I walked through the doors. Mr. Peace, Mr. Peace. And it was so awesome because a lot of them remember me from last time when I came last school year. We talked about bullying. We talked about looking at someone's heart first, the same way that you see your best friend, right? You always see them for who they truly are. I took it up a level today, though. We talked about diversity and the need for human kindness. And the students really responded, right? They really took it to heart, and they understood that peace, that kindness does start in each of our hearts. And it's up to us to then go see others around us for who they truly are, right? To see them as miracles. We always talk about this in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. I trace one of mine here again, like the front of my shirt says, miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it. But we have to buy into this, right? Because a lot of people that I speak to still don't. A lot of students I've talked to said, Mr. Peace, I don't really like my diversity or my differences, could be on the inside or the outside, right? When they look in the mirror, they don't really like their reflection. And that breaks my heart to hear that, but sometimes we have other people's opinions that kind of dictate our worth and value. And it shouldn't be that way, but unfortunately sometimes it is. So the whole idea is if we can get past some of that, and realize that our true friends, our best friends will always see us for this, then that's really all that counts. And this means that we also have to not only show ourselves, but others unconditional love, right? Love without any conditions. If someone's taller than us, shorter, wider, skinnier, different skin color, if they wear glasses or don't, if they're disabled or not, we can still show that love. We can always choose compassion, choose acceptance, choose inclusion, choose empathy, right? And to know that this kindness is so important because this world needs more of it, but that if we show this kindness, right, it may not just be to that person or persons that we are expressing it towards. It could be anyone that, hears that kind word or sees that kind word or sees that kind action. It might change their heart as well in a positive way, right? So we have to embrace diversity, right? We have to embrace our differences, know that it can bring us closer together. And I love all around campus, they have so many beautiful wildflowers, just like the ones right here. And, I kind of compare this to diversity, right? That they're all unique and beautiful, right? Like all of us are. And if they were all the same, that'd be very boring, right? Same with all of us. That if we were all the same, it wouldn't bring as much life to this school or any school that I get to visit all across the country. The fact that we are unique, we have something to offer everyone, right? Part of our true education is kind of, learning about each other and really growing with each other and knowing that we all have different gifts and talents and abilities and skills. And together, if we focus on that, we're able to kind of really impact other people around us, that we're all this important piece to this puzzle. Here at Nishimoto and at any school that I get to go to and have that opportunity to share my heart, with their community. So again, just a beautiful day. I mean, the sun's shining, of course, but to know that we are still really trying to instill these principles of respect, kindness, just really love. It's so important, especially at a young age, to start to really think about those really, important character traits and get the wheels turning as to how we're supposed to treat everyone around us. So thank you so much for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day. I got the parent program this evening on positivity, being your best self. So looking forward to speak to some of the adults as well as the students and staff that I got to talk with earlier today. But again, just keep sharing that kindness, keep giving that gift, keep shining your light. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.